What do we mean by an ensemble? Let's take a look at a water droplet as our system and zoom down to the microscopic level so that we can see what each of the individual water molecules are doing. We can see that at any instant in time, each of the water molecules is in a different configuration, a different position, it has a different momentum, and it has different interactions with its neighbors. If I take a snapshot of this system and save that one, and then take another snapshot at a different instant in time and save that one, and then take another snapshot at another instant in time and save that one, and just keep doing this until I get all possible configurations of all the water molecules in my droplet, I will have generated the ensemble for the water droplet. Each snapshot in this set of snapshots, called the ensemble, is called a microstate. The number of microstates in the entire ensemble is called the size of the ensemble. One of the best physical understandings of entropy is in terms of these ensembles or microstates. The entropy of a system is related to the size of the ensemble or the number of microstates. And so more microstates in a system, the more ways that you can put that system together, leads to a higher entropy. More microstates or a larger size of the ensemble means higher, larger entropy for the system. And this leads to, if we designate the size of the ensemble as omega, capital Omega Greek letter, entropy is equal to the Boltzmann constant times the natural log of the size of the ensemble. This Boltzmann constant is a constant and just gives the proportionality between the size of the ensemble and the entropy. Entropy is often described as the randomness in the system. The more random the system, the higher the entropy. This is because the more ways that you can put that system together, the more different configurations that system has, the more random that system is. And so when we think about the number of microstates that we can imagine for a given system, the more microstates that we have, the more randomly that system can be oriented, and thus the higher the entropy.